our 18-inch one-compartment sink. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have at least 21 inches in length, a depth of 21.25 inches, overall height of 41 inches tall. The height minus the splash, we have at least 33.5 inches in height. Included be the sink strainer and stopper, along with the swivel head faucet. Left and right mount measuring 9 inches, and the measurement for the spout, we have 8 inches. And last but not least, the measurement for the interior sink. Left to right, we have 18 inches in length, a depth of also 18 inches, and overall height at least 13.5 inches tall. And located to the top left corner will be the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.